Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been trying to launch Valorant and keep running into Vanguard errors, whether it's Vanguard not installed, Vanguard initialization failed, or anything similar, this new method is going to save you a ton of stress. Riot recently changed how Vanguard behaves in the client, so today I'll walk you through the cleanest and most reliable way to reinstall it from scratch. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is completely remove the old Vanguard files. Head to your start menu and type add or remove programs. Open it up and in the search bar, type Vanguard. If Riot Vanguard shows up, click on it and hit uninstall. You may get a couple of warning messages. Don't panic, just click yes or uninstall anyway. This wipes Vanguard fully from your system, which is exactly what we want before reinstalling the new version. Next, it's time to install the updated Vanguard properly. Open your Riot client. Search Riot in your start menu if you don't see it right away. If Windows asks for admin permission, just hit yes. Once the launcher loads, go to your game list and select Valorant. You should now see an option to install Vanguard or update. Click that button and the client will automatically download and set up the latest Vanguard files. This part is usually quick, just a minute or two. When it's done, Riot will tell you your system needs a restart to finish the installation. And that's the final step. Go ahead and restart your PC. Once you're back on your desktop, launch Valorant again. Vanguard will now be fully reinstalled, running in the background, and those annoying startup errors should be gone for good. And there you go, quick, clean, and using the newest method. If this helped you out, make sure to stick around for more fixes, tips, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.